Hi everyone. So in this video, I'll explain how to download Python. So just open your browser and just click this Python download. Uh, so based on your OS, you have to download it. So this is the official website for Python, downloading Python. So python.org, just hit on this and it will take you to this page. And my OS is Windows, and based on your OS, whether you're using Mac OS or Linux, or so based on that you can download. And here you can download the specific version also, but I'm going with the recent latest version. Just click on this, and based on your internet speed, it is downloaded. So my internet speed is pretty fast, so download it. So once you know just hit on this. See here, it will ask you to do these things, and so better here. There is one tick button. Better do this thing also because it will add this thing, and after that, just click on this, and just click on this. Yes. So once the execution will start, and after that, you have to give next, next, next. It's pretty easy process, and you don't need to worry about much. Just go to this website and hit on this, download it, and after that just execute the file actually. That's it. Apart from that, everything is simple. So it will take some time to set up the things, but yeah. So go with the recent release because it will have all the functionalities and etc. And also, if you go for the recent one, so you'll get the support and some more functionalities in that. So that's why everyone will suggest you go for the recent one. Yeah, here you can see the setup was successful, and after that, you can close this thing. So once so people will ask, so maybe what is the, if you go for a specific version, so you have to go for this, whether you have a 64-bit or 32-bit. So just in order to check that one, just hit on this, open your command prompt and hit system info. So this is the command. So if you give system info, so it will tell you whether your system is 64-bit or 32-bit, these things. So yeah, so based on that you can do. So here I'm just checking. I think I installed Python. So let's see whether it's gonna work or not. Python hyphen version is the command. Let's see. Okay, okay, okay. Python hyphen version. Yes, there you go. So this is the correct command. So I installed Python, so that's why it was running fine actually. So in this way, you can install Python, and you can set up. And so after that, I'll in the next video I'll explain about how to use IDE, integrated development environment. So better I go with the PyCharm for that based on the requirements and etc. So we'll go with Visual Studio Code, and after that, I'll try to do with some Google Colab. How to do with Google Colab? Those things also I'll try to cover. And so in the upcoming videos, I'll explain how to code, and how to implement your logics, and how to build some application. And those things we'll discuss in the upcoming videos.